Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is reliable. Let's learn what it means. Reliable means being able to be trusted or depended on. A reliable person consistently does what they say they will do. Here's an example. Maria is very reliable. She always completes her work on time. This means people trust her because she consistently meets expectations. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word reliable? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.